Alright guys, this is take 2 of a beta I tried. The beta was terrible, so I didn't do it. I basically went over the inventory the whole entire time, so it sucked. So I'm going to do something no YouTuber done, and a lot of you guys love, which I really want to do stuff you guys like, even though I don't like it. We are going to do a survival series. We are going to do a survival series off of this game. Alright, so survival. Okay, so survival, easy. Now let's call this beta. Hey, if you've ever seen Terraria videos, this is a lot worse than them. They spend 10 minutes making your skin. Beta. Okay, beta survival easy. Let's go. Then I forgot to press boss chest, but who cares? Mojang has more awards than staff. If you ever watched my Xbox survival series for Minecraft, you've seen that message appear like 100 times. No, it's a good idea. It's not a great idea. Mine's rare, but it's good. Oh wow, this is going to be a really cool update. I mean, it's going to make like old updates look like nothing. Oh wow, you just click. Okay. So it basically sorts out all of your items. Oh no, it has the creative section. Except not as before. Okay. Yo, guys, let's gather some wheat, because I don't know what we're going to do with it. Oh, no, not wheat, sugar cane, because I don't know what we're going to do without sugar cane. Let's gather some melons as well. Oh, guys, I want cocoa beans. Who doesn't want a cookie? A cookie. Man. Okay. Yeah, this will give me some beans. Okay, I need 6. Okay. That I didn't break. 4. 6! Yay! Okay, and now I need 6 pieces of wood. Jungle wood. Because I want to start a cocoa bean farm. Well, I might need a teensy bit more. Let's cut down this entire tree. Then I'll use some of it for charcoal if I can't find mine. But I gotta get out of this jungle. Man, alright, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay. Okay, that should be enough to start out. And I should have the exit for the jungle over here. Except jungle's probably that way. But guys, I'm gonna be doing something nobody ever does on this game. A survival series for the beta test. Okay, you know what? I'll just build a hole in the ground. Since I'm really flexible and we don't have anything useful. So I'll just build a tiny hole in the ground. But guys, I mean, what other YouTube channel gives you a survival series for this? Oh my god. Do you guys hear that? There's a spider. Okay, I don't want to be dive bombed on, so I'm gonna put. Okay, so let's not die. Okay. Maybe there's a cave. Okay. Okay. Okay, so my inventory. Oh yeah, coarse dirt. Yeah, coarse dirt, if you don't know what it is, then I'll explain it. So it's dirt. Yeah, it's crafted with 2 dirt and 2 gravel. I know it seems useless. I don't blame you why for serve it. I thought it was useless. But it really just turns it into a dirt that can't grow grass. So it's great for making paths. Okay, and I'm gonna put. Okay, I need more wood. Oh, a parrot! I didn't know they're actually obtainable. Or if there's like a breeding method for them. Guys, and this episode is only gonna be night 1, so. Man. Alright. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be using my pickaxe. Oh wow, it does actually a significant more, see? Look at this. Okay, I lied, it's like the same amount. But I gotta figure out that spider noise is. So it's approaching near night. We only have like a minute left. Okay. So we got charcoal. And do you know what that means, guys? We got torches. Man. I mean, guys, this is probably the one thing that's better than normal survival series. Is a actual survival series. Okay, and I'll go like, wait, how much? Okay, I have 2, good. I'll craft another one. 48%. Still. Oh, dang it. Okay, so it's approaching near night. I should probably set my sugarcane farm. No, not. Well, yeah, I probably should actually set. Okay, and the best way to set this. Guys, I need some gravel because I want a pot. Or at least please tell me that's why I'm mining. And the sand is for my sugarcane farm, because sand makes sugarcane grow faster than a farm dirt. We're 8% and we're 10 minutes in. And it's still morning, surprisingly. Oh yeah, because we started this fail. So we really have a long time. Okay. Okay, there. And I'll yeah, guys, this is gonna be an awesome series. And I'm gonna set my mine right down there. So I'm gonna do mine. I'll hope it. Oh. 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 Okay, and I'll craft another furnace. That looks weird. I gotta put another one there, but I'll do it off camera. Okay. So we got... And guys, I'm planning on doing like 12 episodes with a lot of views. So tell your friends and stuff. With enough views, I'll actually make more. I'm planning on doing 10, but only because I'm planning on actually doing my... I'm only planning on doing my... It's gonna be my 70th. So I'll probably do like 20. Then do 2 episodes. I'm gonna do 8 vlogs. It's gonna be my 100th episode. But it's actually coming soon. Oh yeah! I forgot. So guys, I'm gonna do this little... inventory. Oh, dang it. Okay. Okay, there. So I'll just place down these 2. And I'll go like that. And bam. Actually, I could set this up one more down. And then I'll end this episode. Alright, so let's get going. Okay. Wait. Oh crap, they can actually break doors. Okay. Okay. Man. Let's hope that no more zombies. That was creepy. Okay. There. Bam. Bam. And bam. I don't get why that's great. Oh, just a teensy bit of a glitch. Well, guys, I'm afraid I have to end the episode here tonight. Oh, wait, no, not yet. Wait. Should I? Because if I can make a test, then that'll be in. No, I can't. So, bye, guys. And I want a slab. I know, guys, this episode is going crazy. Okay, we're gonna rip out these 4, or that one, and place down this one. I'll put something in that in between this episode and next. Well, I guess, bye guys. Finally.